That's right, you heard correctly. It's a beautiful day. iPad Pro 11-inch, 3rd generation. We're going to take the sucker out of the box real quick, and I'm going to be setting it up. But I just kind of wanted to share with you, this wonderful device. And this is not my first iPad, but I'm looking forward to setting this up and actually using it, because I'm hoping that this is going to help me to be able to prepare as I go about my busy day with the day job and other things that we have to take care of. I'm hoping that this is going to help me be able to prepare to provide you with better and more quality content here on this channel and anywhere else that I am on social media. This is going to help me to organize and be able to work on things at the spur of the moment. I need to use every single minute that I have available and without taking time away from my family. And so I think this is going to help in that process. Just to let you know, in the process of doing this, I also have a case that I've received, and also picked up a screen protector. And I almost forgot. Also got an Apple Pencil. Oh, so gonna be good. It's gonna be good. So I'm gonna take my time. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this real quick, just to let you see what comes in this box, and then I'm gonna take some time, set it up, and later on I'll give you a tour of how I've set this iPad up for me to use in order to be able to create content here on YouTube, again, as well as anywhere else on social media. So let's get into this box. One thing that you'll notice really quickly is they got a nice little pull tab right there for the plastic, to take the plastic out. And Apple has a crazy way of making sure that they get their stuff wrapped up pretty well, don't they? I'm not gonna go into the screen protector and all of that. These things I'm going to set up. I'll take some pictures of what's in the box there, and if you check, we'll have some reviews and whatnot on Amazon, because that's where I got those from, and some links down in the description of everything that I have here. So you can support this channel by using one of the affiliate links down in the description. So again, we're just going to get into this box really quickly, and that's pretty much going to be it. I'm going to take some time to set it up, and hopefully within a week or so, I'm going to come back and give you, hopefully sooner than that, I'm going to come back and give you my thoughts, my personal thoughts on this wonderful device and how I'm going to be using it. This particular one is a 256. I did not get the 128 because I don't believe in getting the lowest end model of anything, because I want it to last for a while. But of course, I don't have the money to buy a 2 terabyte machine. So, and I'll be using an external drive with this to store some of my data off of the iPad, just so I can save some space. But let's get into it. Move this out of the way. Always got stuff in the way, all in my business. And I really like the way, I think everybody likes Apple's packaging and whatnot. So, yeah, it seems to be, is there attachments? No, it should be able to just slide right off as they normally do. Come on. Yeah, so tight it's hard for it to let air in. There you go. I'll toss this stuff in the trash in a little bit. And here it is. There it is, super thin, in this nice little protective plastic thing here. And this is so satisfying. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Now, part of the reason why I'm not going to do more than this now, try not to get, so that's the only thing that they use to cover the screen. But, I mean, that's pretty good. Now, this is a little bit bigger than what I originally had. But, yeah, look at that. It's beautiful. So, there's the iPad itself. Let's take a look at what comes in the box with it. There you have your instructions, I believe. iPad Pro instructions. And then it comes with a cable, and it is a USB-C to USB-C cable and a USB-C charger. That's pretty much it. And like I said, I'm going to be charging this thing up, putting it in the case, and checking it out. So just again, wanted to share that with you, and be on the lookout for new stuff coming up very soon. I've got quite a few other products and quite a few other how-tos that I'll be working on. So thanks for stopping by and celebrating this new acquisition with me. And I look forward to seeing you again in the next video.